Alright, got another video going on today. About to hook up my friend's 06 Silverado with some V Plus U series LED low beams and high beams. He just got some new lenses, so we're gonna hook them up right now. I'll get back to you. Let me show you these lights real quick. Yeah, these are the lights right here. The U series with the ones with the fans. V Plus. See them bad boys? Clean. Alright, so I'm gonna head on to my boy's house and we'll do this. Get back to you. Alright, on our way there. Just a little hop, skip, and a jump away from my place. Not too far. I'll show you my boy's truck here in a bit. Hang on. Alright, here we go. We're here. Oh, wrong one. Here's the right one. So, coming up to this place, got to go over a speed bump and a little dip. Where do you see his truck too? He slammed too. Not too bad of a speed bump, but this dip right here. Sideways. So let's check him out, check him out. There's my boy's truck right there. Yeah, about to hook up his headlights. Look at these sick tail lights you got. Got the LED bar. Yeah. Taillights are sick. Running on 22s. Got his smoke third. Another hook. Yeah, time to get rid of this yellow stuff. This yellow stuff don't look good, man.
What?
Let's see you open this stuff up, man. Let's see. Let's see. Boy, opening up his new headlights. Got to get rid of this old yellow mess. Here we go. Here we go. What does it look like? Ooh, look at that. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that with them LEDs in there. Ooh, that's gonna look sick. That is gonna look so sick.
They're gonna match the rear.
Yeah. Leave that covering on there, that way you don't scratch them up. Beautiful. Now, where do you want, you probably want to wire them up to your side marker light, huh?
Where's the other? Oh, they're in here.
What are these? What are these? Oh, those are the bottom ones. Yeah.
Oh yeah. That's what I've been waiting for.
Oh, yeah, look at that. Look at that. Black lenses, bright LED.
Are these black? Oh, you know what?
The headlights are
black housing.
Black housing, but the chrome back there like they're supposed to be.
They're gonna be just like that.
Yeah. That's gonna look clean. That's gonna look clean, just like that. Heck yeah. Sweet. So all we're gonna do is replace these outdated headlights. Incandescent, no good, man. These LEDs are okay, but these housings don't allow them to seat very well. So, taking these out. Next one, we got our marker lights. And we take those out. Got some LEDs in there already on that one. The turn switchbacks. Got your LED, or not LED, but regular incandescent bulb here, which we're going to take out. So we'll put that right there. All right, now we're going to put the bottom one. That's the driver's side. Man, I'm as excited for you as you are. Look at that. Nice. So we pop these off so we can put the balls back in. Sweet.
What's nice is that they match the rear.
Heck yeah, it's gonna be awesome. Very cool. So we turn these ones, put them ones back in there. That fits nice and snug too. I like that. Now watch. Plug in there, what the heck? There we go. Okay, now let me get this. Go hit your parking light. Come here, look at this. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Look at that.
Wow.
Heck yeah. That's sick. Alright, cool. So let's get these top ones wired up to this.
Oh yeah.
Look at that! Woo! That bad boy is sick! Now everything's all wired up and hooked up. Just gotta install the bottom lens, take off that sticky plastic off the top. Ooh, man, that looks sick.
Those lights are popping.
Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Hey, just so you know too, Dylan from Parts M, these are the U-series bulbs you gave me. I'm giving them to my homeboy right here, Robert. And look at these bad boys. These bulbs, these LED strips look good. Now watch. Go turn on the headlights, Robert.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Dude, the camera just picks up all light.
Really? Yeah, mine looks different. Are you going sideways?
That looks sick. Yeah, the sticker's on the driver's side, but oh my god. That looks sick. Yeah, go ahead and try the highs. Turn them bad boys on. Boom!
Oh, wait a minute, I gotta go back my left.
Are the fogs on?
No, yeah. Ooh.
Let's take a look at that.
Right on the thing. Huh?
Boy, you're all lit up now, boy. You are all lit up.
You look like Batman.
You are all lit up.
Oh, look at that, kid.
It looks like Batman to me.
What you think about
Batman,
that?
keep Batman Economic. Shoot, that's sick.
That.
Here's the thing.
All right, everything all in. All in. My boy Robert's truck is set up.
I want to see the bright light. Before that bright one wouldn't work.
Purdy.
Yeah.
Party time.
Okay, now go hit them hit the headlights on. Do your fog lights stay on with the high beam?
I don't know.
You can turn that. Can you turn the fog lights off?
That was high.
What do you mean? There, that's high.
Fogs on?
Now put it back to low.
Are the fogs on?
Yeah,
Really? With the highs?
yeah. Put it on low. Yeah.
Put it on high
So
again.
that's awesome. So your fog lights stay on no matter what.
Put it on high again, Robert.
I want to see what the hot with the.
Here, I'll do it.
Look at you guys. Get over there, Robert.
Looks mean. That looks mean.
It does. It does.
Love it.
It does. In them daytime running lights, that's what you're going to see that. Huh?
Robert,
Yes, sir.
tell me, how happy are you?
I'm happy, Ramon. I'm happy.
You hear that, Dylan?
I'm happy.
He's happy with the bright old lights and these LED assemblies that he's got on here. All right, bro. Glad I could help. Glad they're in there. They working. They gotta have juice so that they have that LED all the way across. All right. Peace out. Okay.
But
Now that bulb is not shining brightly for some reason.
Well, this here is.
No, that's not bright.
Yeah, but that one's brighter than that one.
That is true. That one is a little bit brighter. Well, we're gonna fix this whole problem right now.
Yeah. When you turn your lights on for the back, you
Also, Dylan,
wow.
got him the reverse lights too, just like mine. Look at that. These things are stinking bright. Look at those halos they're throwing.
You know what? If you go camping, it'll last a long time.
look at this. Look at that.
Love it.
Oh, that's the halo we talked about.
Thanks, Dylan. Woo, man, look at how bright that is. Dylan, these bad boys are awesome.
Wow. That looks like an old Model T.
Woo, man.
Looks right with their license plate lights though. That's just really.
I know.
That just throws it off.
Well, this road off.
One more light to do. One more light to knock off. So are you happy with them reverse lights,
Oh
Robert?
yeah. Oh yeah. Super
Let
bright.
me see. Tell me.
They're nice.
Yeah,
You
boy.
are very nice.